Sean Covel.
What's up, man? So Cat Skull, right? I'm so excited that my bike is here at Black Hills Motorcycle Show. I haven't actually seen it for the better part of 2 years, because June before last I was coming around the corner up by the lodge and came around the corner into a mountain lion. Hit it at about 60, went about 80 feet and walked away. And that was the last I heard of it. The bike ended up over at Jason's shop. About a year later, a buddy comes up and gives me a Christmas present. He's like, oh, it's Cat Skull. And he said, no, man, that's the Cat Skull. So good people in the Black Hills tracked it down, and good people in the Black Hills rebuilt my bike, which I haven't put eyes on yet, and I'm excited.
This is 2001 FLSTF Fat Boy, fuel injected. We've done a lot of work to this bike. He actually brought it in, and it was like wrecked, totaled. The whole thing was, it looked almost beyond repair, but we got some of the remnants of the mountain lion in the front fender. Some blood and cut into it, but based off of the impact marks, he hit hard, and that could have damaged the bearings, especially on the side that he went down on. Right? See how it's going?
Oh yeah.
So it looks like I might have to replace the bearings in this wheel to get everything to mesh in the front end the way it's supposed to. It's a dead duck football when it should be a perfect spiral. All right, bad news is it's not ready for a test ride. We got some more work to do. Good news is we didn't let it out the door with bad front wheel bearings. Good news is it sounds great. Just gotta have a little more patience, I guess. That ought to make you feel a little better, Sean. Sorry about your brake rotor.
This is the first time I'll be seeing it. Can't wait. Go one of these.
There it is. We're looking at it.
Hello, old friend. Oh my God. Look at that pinstriping, man.
Remember when you thought he didn't do it around the barn shield? He
Do it around the barn shield?
He did it around the barn.
No shit.
Yes, he did.
Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I got this bike in 2004. I made a movie that kind of broke out, and so I used my money to get this. It's the only bike that I've ever had. And thanks to this guy, I get to have it back, and hopefully it's the only bike I ever will. Oh my God. Jason, thank you.
You feel ready?
This is a big freaking deal. Yeah, we'll find out. Should we wire the cat?
I would wire it right here.
Right there.
We have string.
Facing us?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you like it that way, or do you like it back this
Well,
way?
do you want it facing you?
Yeah, I kind of like it.
Well, I've seen you somewhere before.
Or do you want it facing like this?
No, I would rather say facing him, like as a reminder to watch out for shit.
Yeah, always wear your helmets, kids. Awesome, man. Let's tie it up. Oh God, the mouth open. Thank you.
You got it.
It's got all the wheels. It's got handlebars that aren't snapped off.
Don't worry about that.
Okay. Oh man, deepest thanks to Deadwood Customs, Jason, Charlie, and the gang. I got my bike back. Ah.
Like and subscribe if you know what's good for you.